Good morning. I am Rachna Prasad, founder trustee of Chirantana, a not-for-profit working with people with special needs. Today is an exciting day as we are all here assembled at Sankey Lake for a walkathon to celebrate Valentine's Day.
Good morning to the bright faces gathered here today. I am Atika Dharmappa, a clinical psychologist working in Chirantana.
And I am Prashant, Sales Coordinator at Chirantana. Good morning to our respected guests, dear parents, distinguished members of Rotary, fellow teachers, our dedicated volunteers, and my wonderful stars. We also have our three schools that have joined hands with Chirantana today. I welcome Ashankura, Swasti Foundations, and Aruna Chetan. And most importantly, our lovely children.
Today is the 14th February. Happy Valentine's Day! The world celebrates it as Valentine's Day, a day of love. But here today, we celebrate something even greater. Not just romantic love, not just roses and chocolates.
Today, we celebrate courage, determination, and most importantly, unconditional love.
Because love is not just something you say, love is something you show.
And what better way to show love than walking forward, step by step, with strength in your heart and smile on your face.
This beautiful initiative would not have been possible without the constant support of Rotary. Thank you, dear Rotarians, for joining hands with us today. Without further delay, let us begin the walk. Before we start, the rules is that we should follow the rules.
So, rule number one, as this is a public park, I request all of you to please avoid shouting any slogans or singing loudly. Banners and posters are not permitted on the time, and let's walk together happily, spreading love and promoting good health.
It is a 2-kilometer stretch one way. We will stop at the other entrance for 5 minutes. Chirantana has arranged water bottles and cookies for the children. After a short break, we will return along the same path and assemble here again.
Please walk alongside your children, support them and match their pace and help one another.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Rules. If any doubt, please ask.
I also request all of you
Flag off for the event. Okay, Raksha. You can announce.
Also, please come on the stage, note that President.
I think we are all here.
ready, steady, go!
Yes. So you can start. You can announce everyone.
Okay, we will start. I request everyone to please come here and
Parents, please hold your children's hands. Please don't leave them.
please parents come forward.
Come on, we'll start the walk now.
All the Josh.
It's 100%.
Ready.
Ready? Okay, make some
We are
noise.
ready.
Make some noise. Yes.
All aboard!
Come on.
প্রথম ওয়াকাথন ওকে বাই
जय 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 देवी जगदम्ब जय 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 देवी जगदम्ब मंगलकारिणी है जगजननी जय 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 देवी जगदम्ब ज्ञान शक्ति दे ज्ञानमयी प्रेममयी कल्याणमयी ज्ञान शक्ति दे ज्ञानमयी प्रेममयी कल्याणमयी शुभदे माता जगन्माता शुभदे माता देवी जगन्माता जय जय देवी जगन्माता आदिशक्ति अखिलांडमयी शक्तिमयी सत्यमयी आदिशक्ति अखिलांडमयी शक्तिमयी नंदमयी शुभदे माता देवी जगन्माता
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಚಿರಂದಿ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅರ್ಪಿತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
Again, we're going back.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ
ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಮ್ 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 ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಹಾಯ್ ರಚನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ Can we all show smileys, please? Yeah!
Make a line for them, no? Everybody. Make a line. Make a line. Come, come. Open it down. Stand. Where are the
Announcement. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
you will be given a cookie in a cover. Please don't throw it here. Put it in your pockets. Let's be environment conscious. So carry it home and throw it in the trash. Okay? No throwing trash here. Okay? All right. Thank you.
ಬನ್ನಿ ನಗಣ.
Good morning. I am Rachna Prasad, founder trustee of Chirantana, a not-for-profit working with people with special needs. Today is an exciting day as we are all here assembled at Sankey Lake for a walkathon to celebrate Valentine's Day. So the whole idea of this walk is to walk with people with neurodiversity, not behind, not ahead of them, just to walk alongside them to promote inclusion and diversity. We are supported by 10 Rotary clubs. They've always been very supportive in whatever Chirantana has done as a part of its DEI initiatives. So here are my Rotary friends. Would you want to say hi? Hi! So proud of my students. I think it's almost a 2-kilometer stretch one way and they've covered it so well so far. So we are getting back after this to the cultural showcase, and also we have stopped by for refreshments. Cookies are made entirely at Chirantana's bakery unit by our students. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaskara. Good morning, everybody. I am Group Captain Shrikant Hegde, the President of Rotary Bangalore Malgudi Club. We, the Rotarians, have joined hands with Chirantana, which is taking care of the children and the people who are, born with neurodiversity. The main aim of Rotary is also DEI, diversity, equity and inclusion. Today, walking along with these people with neurodiversity is a great pleasure. That too on a Valentine's Day, you can't probably ask for more. All the very best to Chirantana, all the very best to Rotary. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you.
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವನಿಡಮಿಂದ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10 ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ, ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಪರ್ವತಿಕರ್ ಅಂತ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉದ್ಯೋಗನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ. ನಾವು 10-12 ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಿರಂತನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನವರು ಏನು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಚೇತನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ವಾಕ್ಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಸೇರಿಸಿಯೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಾಗರಾಜು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ರಚನಾ ಮೇಡಮು ಚಿರಂತನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ 10 ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I'm fine. Yes. Thank you to come walkathon. I'm blessed. I'm pleasure. Thank you all loves to come here, join here, walkathon. Thank you so much. I love you, sir and ma'am, to come here. And Raksha ma'am, thank you to come, Raksha ma'am, Arpita ma'am, everything ma'am. Thank you so much to join here, walkathon with a dancer and dance ma'am. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir.
Tell something.
How did you feel?
I feel very happy.
Tell more.
I feel very happy to coming here.
What place is this?
This is a Sankey Tank place.
What are you doing here?
I'm doing dance and playing keyboard and telling song.
You are enjoying the event?
Yes, I'm enjoying the event.
Nice.
Madhurya, Prajwal's mother. So this is a great initiative taken by Chirantana so that we again assemble at one place and walk in this beautiful park. Prajwal loves walking, he is enjoying a lot. Thank you Team Chirantana for organizing this.
ಇವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು
Requesting all the participants to please come and continue with the show.
Medal ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅವ್ನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರು ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನ ಇದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಇದೆ.
We are all been waiting for. I request everyone to kindly take their seats. Before we light the ceremonial lamp, as per Rotary protocol, may I request all participating Rotary Club presidents along with their secretaries to come on the stage for the following ceremony. Thank you all. Thanks to all the parents, the children, well-wishers who turned up in such huge numbers. This is extremely overwhelming for us and not very surprising as such, because we know when we reach out with the right intent, the right things happen. So very proud of each of us. Let's pat ourselves on the back for having clocked a successful walk on one part of the Sankey Park today. This walk is happening on a very opportune day. February 14th, as we all know, is a day of love. Of course, borrowed from the West, but nevertheless, has come to stay in our minds, in our consciousness, in our milieu. So, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ
We are the students of Chirantana, which some people call us socially able, some call us different, some look at us with sympathy, some don't know how to look at us at all. But today, we stand here to tell you who we really are. We are dreamers. We are artists. We are friends. We are sons and daughters. We are the laughter in classrooms. We are courage in small steps. And most importantly, we are human, just like you. When people talk about including us in society, sometimes it sounds like a favor, like something extra, like kindness given as a generosity. But inclusion is not a favor. Inclusion means that we don't have to prove that we belong. It means the door is already open. It means we're not standing outside waiting to be invited in. Inclusion means when a playground is built, it is built for all of us. It means when a classroom is designed,
be a little more sensitive, then I think as human beings, the whole existence, the purpose of existence is lost ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಕಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, that is when we will be creating a more compassionate society. ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನೀಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅನುಭವಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. Even a person on road, even a beggar on road will think it is okay to come and tell, I will make your child all right. Or shall I take your child to the doctor? ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ we cannot let our children play freely because they are not accepted, they are outrightly rejected. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬಂದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಬ್ನಾಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೂ ಎವರ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹೌ ಲೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟುಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸಚ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇಂಥ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜೆಂಡಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಡೇ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಬಿ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಬಿ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ 1 ತಾಸು ತಡ ಆದರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಇರೋಣವಾ? ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಣವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಮನೀಸ್, ಆ ಥರದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ collaborative. That is where I am very, very thankful to the 10 joint Rotary clubs who have joined hands with us today. Can we have a big round of applause to all the 10 clubs that are with us today, which have come together as a cause to support not just Chirantana. We have Swasti Special School, we have Ashankura, we have Aruna Chetana. So we have so many children here who have come. So we have come together here as a society. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಶೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ breakfast. Thank you all so much. Once again, thanks for all the support, and my children, you rock as always. Just one yoga pose from my student Asmi. ಅವಳು ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಏನೂ ತಿಂದೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಹಸಿವುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ಮಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್? Anybody who wants to copy Asmi can come on stage.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮುದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಶ್ಮಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ